Okay, here we go. Here's the store website. Read this, it gives you some good information about what you're purchasing. You can buy a push talk button, or in this case, we're going to show you how to purchase the push talk button and get activated on your phone. And in this case, we're buying for a hot rod power tour, but it could be for drag, wake, six, summer, whatever you need. And in this case, I'm going to buy one, quantity one, add it to the cart. Now that I have it in the cart, I can check out. You can do Shop Pay, PayPal, Google Pay. I think iPhone Pay is in here too. And come here and do a credit card. Put your first name, last name. Don't need a company. Address, phone number. Phone number is important because we need that for setting up a profile. If you don't include that, we may have to contact you an email to get that set up also. Once you place this order and pay now, you will receive an email with asking for your username. That would be your display name on the application. If you want to be advertising your GPS location or not to the group. If you want to need additional private groups built, what do you want the name to be and who you want it to be in it. And if you ever want to add anybody, it just takes an email and we can add any existing user to those groups. So I received a text message. Okay, I click on that. It's got my username, password. I'm going to download the ESCHAT app. I'm going to open the app. Allow it to send notifications. Sign in. Done. Hello group. Hello group. Hello group. Hello. Done.